Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curry. So I've come up with this recipe of a chicken kofta masala. So here I have half a kg of chicken mince. I'm going to add 2 onions that are finely chopped and browned, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of finely chopped capsicum, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now let's mix this well. Let's prepare the stuffing. So I'm going to take half a cup of grated cheese, half a cup of hung curd. So basically I took a bowl of curd and I just hung it, drained off the whey, and I'm going to use this for the stuffing. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 finely chopped green chilies. Now cheese also has salt, so go easy on the salt here. Let's mix this well. The stuffing is ready. Now let's make the koftas. I have made some slurry using maida. We're going to dip the koftas in the maida, coat it in breadcrumbs, and we're going to pan fry this nice and crisp. We're going to cook these koftas on a low flame, medium to low flame, on each side for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, I'm going to flip them over. Now while these are getting ready, let's prepare the gravy. For the gravy, let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is hot, I'm going to add 3 onions that I have minced or grounded. Let's brown the onions. The onions have browned well. Let's add a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, and let's saute this for a minute. Let's quickly add 1/4 cup of cashew nut paste. Let's flip the koftas. The koftas are ready. Let's just remove them. Now to the gravy, let's add 1 cup of whipped yogurt and reduce the flame. Puree of 3 tomatoes. Let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and let's saute this till oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated. Let's add a cup of water to this. Stir this. I'm going to add another cup of water because I feel the water is slightly less. And I'm going to add salt to taste. And now let's cover this and bring the curry to a boil. You can see the gravy is boiling. Let's shut the flame. Stir this well. I'm going to add a teaspoon of butter to the gravy. Just mix this well. And now let's plate the dish. So first let's remove the gravy in the serving bowl. Let's drizzle some fresh cream on the gravy. I'm going to drizzle some rogan as well. Rogan is basically chili oil. Sprinkle some coriander. Some kasuri methi. And now let's place the koftas. Our chicken kofta masala is ready to be served. You can serve it with paratha or rice. Do try this recipe. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.